Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to skip rows in a data frame. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so first what we'll do is first we'll try to import pandas as PD, which is a usual step which we follow for data pre-processing. Try to restart the kernel, import pandas as PD. Okay, so now what we'll do is data frame is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Okay, so here what I will do is I have already uploaded a CSV file by name industry. So what I will do is industry dot CSV. So now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, now let's try to see how exactly the data set looks. Data frame of 25. Let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so here you can see a data frame which is having row and column. Okay, so here you can see an industry and here you can see various different types of industry. Okay, so what I will do is if you want to skip some of the rows in a data frame, or if you want to skip some of the specific rows in a data frame, I will show you how to do that. Okay, so here what you have to do is, as usual, you can type data frame is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. So here you have to give the name of the data frame, okay, comma, skip rows is equal to. So here what you have to do is, suppose if you want to skip first 3 rows. Okay, so let's see if I want to skip first 3 rows. So here you have to give the name of the rows. Now sorry, the whichever the rows you want to skip. Suppose if you want to skip first row, second row, third row, so here you can give 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 and you can run this particular cell. And now if you see data frame, let's try to run this particular cell. So the first 3 row was accounting slash finance, advertising, aerospace. So here you can see the first 3 rows has been skipped, and here you can see the rest of the rows which is starting from arts, entertainment, publishing, automotive, banking, mortgage. Okay, suppose if you want to skip let's take this specific line itself, and suppose if you want to skip the first 3 rows as well as the 5th row, means here you can give the 5th comma 5 and here you can just try to run this particular cell. So now you can see the first 3 rows as well as the 5th row has been removed from the data frame. Okay, so we'll see first 2 3 4 5. So here you can also see automotive has also been removed from this specific. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you and all. See you. Bye bye.